Cook, and this is using an RPA as a low-cost extracting tool. And the goal of this project is to just demonstrate the first step of creating a low-cost data extraction tool in order to lower manual labor costs. And our objective is, targeting smaller firms to demonstrate the power of RPAs and to lower manual input labor. The parameters of this project is we want it low cost and we want the least amount of steps possible for our RPA. And we want to see if it works. And how am I going to do this first step? We're going to use a free RPA to sign into Gmail, extract the information from that email, and then we're going to have it download it. That's the easiest way. You could import it into Google Docs if you wanted, and you could download it as a Word file, but that's too many steps. We just want the first step to work. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing you need to do is download UI Vision RPA. It's a free one from, it's a Chrome plugin. You hit record, and we're going to sign it. All right, so our RPA should have done that, so we're going to sign back out. And we're going to see if it does this thing. So we say play macro. I think it did it because we've got a second one here. So that's all you need to do to make an extraction tool. Thanks.